Now I am taking another example of average. That is how to calculate the average Neeta and her 4 friends. So here what is the number of observations? One can easily check. One is the Neeta, 4 are the friends. So total number of observations become 5, which is known as n. Neeta and her 4 friends secured 65, 78, 82, 94 and 71 marks. So Neeta secured 65, other 4 friends 78, 82, 94 and 71 marks in a test of maths. Find the average. To calculate the average, I must mention here in the solution that x1, that is the first observation, 65, x2 second observation, 78, then we go for x3, it is 82, now x4, this is what, 94, and last observation x5 is 71. 5 observations, these are x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and that is the total number of observation is what, 5. So to calculate the average, we will apply the simplest way, that is we can say average or mean or arithmetic mean or symbolically x bar is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 upon 5. That is what, 65 plus 78 plus 82 plus 94 upon 5. When we will add these 5 observations, when will be added, we will get 390 upon 5. When we will divide 390 by 5, we will get 78. So average score of these friends, these 5 friends in a test of mathematics is 78. So one type of problems of topic average, mean or arithmetic mean is very easily can be calculated, that is sum of all observations, sum of data upon number of data, or you can say sum of observations upon number of observations, or you can say x bar is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus dot x5 upon 5 here in this question. Sometime when we add all informations, suppose there is a formula, if I explain you the same formula with the long chain method, then how we can write it in the short form. To write it in the short form, suppose there are n observations. So first observation is x1, second is x2, third is x3 and last observation is xn, and divided by n and is this x bar. This is the formula which is very much initially have been explained you. Suppose I want to write it in the short form. So what is the way? That is x bar, saying x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn, expanded form. This is expanded form. In short form we say it is sigma xn. But in place of n, if you write I, it gives you a better feel, that is sigma xi, meaning by sum of all I observations, and value of I goes from 1 to n. So sigma xi, I equals to 1 to n is nothing but a short form, and which is equal to x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 plus xn. So x bar is this. X bar is what? x1 plus x2 plus x3, or you can say dot 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 up to xn. Shortcut, in shortcut we can write sigma xi, I equals to 1 to n, because if I write I1 then x1, if I write 2 then plus x2, because of sigma plus has to be insert in between after every observation. So this is the short form. So in short form we can write like this, having the same meaning. X bar is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot 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 plus xn upon n, or x bar is equals to sigma xi, I equals to 1 to n upon n. This is the formula for calculating the average. As one of the example with this help of formula is being explained you. Now if data is so big that we are bound to make the frequencies, What is the frequency? Suppose I go to calculate the anything and I find a thing more than one time, then it comes in under its frequency. Now we will explain you an example where we will use the frequency table with the direct method. Now I will explain you how to calculate the mean of any question if frequencies are given, because still how many questions, as many questions we have discussed, we have find some observations in the form of x1, x2, x3, xn, and we have simply applied the result sum of all observations upon number of observations. If data is like this, study is like this, observations are like this, that few of the observations repeats. Suppose if I ask that xi is the observation, suppose 5. I am assuming there are certain number of bags have been put by someone and someone is weighting all these bags, and I find that there are 4 bags of 5 kg weight, 8 bags of 6 kg weight, 14 bags of 7 kg weight, 11 bags of 8 kg weight, 3 bags of 9 kg weight. So what we are observing, what is observation? We are weighing some bags. So what we find, these weights are the observation, because we are observing this, and we are finding there are in all out of bags, 4 bags are of the weight 5 kg. So 4 is the frequency of 5, 8 is the frequency of 6, 14 is the frequency of 7, 11 is the frequency of 8, 3 is the frequency of 9. So the now question comes that how to calculate the average or mean or arithmetic mean in some situations where observations and their frequencies are given. To calculate, I am explaining you first. Suppose there are observations x1, x2, x3, x4 like this, xn, and their corresponding frequencies are f1, f2, f3, f4 and fn. Suppose these are their corresponding frequencies. So if I say xn means the last observation, x4, f4, x2 and this. So observations are comes in one, that is the xi, and frequencies are taken in fi.